Need help in making a backend Node.js APIs? Code with projects. According to my experience, a person can learn fast with some real-time projects. What projects do we offer? School management system, small admin panel, website design with API. Why are you watching? We will create small projects in multiple frameworks: Angular, React.js, Node.js, Vue.js. We will cover everything that is necessary, not basic. So, you can focus on building projects. Code with projects. Your feedback really matters. k.waqar903@gmail.com